Today's lesson is going to be about finding the area and the perimeter of irregular shapes. This is a real life problem when people are trying to carpet a room or put fencing around a backyard that might be in an irregular shape. These happen on a fairly regular basis, and using your skills in a couple of different areas of math and connecting them will help you solve these problems. So today, our purpose for learning is, if I can get the paper turned, to apply what we know about shapes to break down an irregular shape. Then we will connect our knowledge of area and perimeter to solve. So we're going to be utilizing a number of different skills to solve our problems. So I have one shape that is already set up, and we're going to walk through it together. So here's our irregular shape. Up here it says 4, 6, 3, 2. We're also going to utilize our songs to help us remember. So first I'm going to tackle my area. But before I can figure out my area, I need to break this shape down because I don't know how to find the area for this. So as I look at this shape, I'm thinking, maybe if I draw a line this way to break this irregular shape down into two regular shapes. This is now a rectangle, and this is a wide rectangle. It kind of looks squarish the way I have it drawn, but it's really a rectangle. So I know here I have a 2. So over here, because it's a rectangle, I know that my sides are the same. This is now going to be a 2, and I'm going to make this a tiny 2 because I'm going to break up this line here. And I know, let's see, the top of this rectangle is a 4. So the bottom of this rectangle must be a 4 right here. Now I'm going to look down at this shape, our wide rectangle, and I know that this is a 3, so this has to be a 3. And I know, well, look, I can't say that this side here is 6 because it's not. This whole line is 6, but this, it doesn't go the same length, so I have to take some away. So, wait, I have to take away. I have a subtraction problem on my hands. I have a full length of 6, and I took 2 away, so that should give me what's left over. So if this is 6 and I took away 2, I know what that is. That's 4. 6 take away 2, this 2 section, that gave me 4. Well, if this is a 4, then this side is also a 4. Awesome. Okay, now we can do our area. Area equals all the space inside, length times width. So I'm going to start up here. I'm going to look at this rectangle first. So as I say, length times width, I have 4 times 2. And 4 times 2 equals, I know that multiplication fact, that one equals 8. All right, now I'm going to come down here to my bottom rectangle. Area equals all the space inside, length times width. So I have 4 times 3. I don't know why, but I have always enjoyed that multiplication fact. I know that 4 times 3 is 12. Well, because I have 2 products for my area, I have to put them together so that I can get the entire shape put together. So I'm going to reset this for 12 plus 8. And as I look at this, 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2, so I have an area of 20. So my area equals 20 centimeters. Now I still have to do my perimeter. I can't forget to do that, so I'm going to write my perimeter down here. Now perimeter, if you recall, perimeter has a different song that we practice when we solve for perimeter. Perimeter keeps the puppy in, add all the sides. So I have to add all the way around here. So what I need to do is I need to double check to make sure I have all of my numbers ready. Well, I have 4 for the top, so we're good there. Then I have, oh, this side. You know what? I can use this 6 now, because that's the whole length of this side. I don't need my little 2's anymore, because that's, or my 2 little numbers, because I had broken them down when I was looking at the shape in 2 different parts. But now I'm looking at the whole thing. So I'm going to keep my 6, and let's see, I'm going to keep my 3. Ooh, and I do need my 4 here. So I'm going to keep my 4 and then add all the sides. But, I don't have a number here for this. And I know we've talked about this. If I leave a panel off, perimeter keeps the puppy in, add all the sides. If I don't put one of the sides in, my puppy is gone. So I'm gonna have to do some detective work. Well, right here it says that this is a 4, this whole length, right? But here it says this section is 3. So what's left over here? So this is kind of like this situation I had over here. So if I have 4 and I take out the 3, I know that answer. That's 1. I've known that answer for a long time. So that is 1, and then I have 2. So now it's time for me to create an equation using these numbers. So I have 6 plus 4. I went this way. 6 plus 4, 2 plus 2, plus 1, plus 4, plus 3. Let me double check, make sure I got that right. 6, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3. Great, I have all my sides. Well, I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 more gives me 12, 13. 13 plus 4, that's 17, 18, 19. Finally, we are at 20. Look at that. My area and my perimeter both equal 20. How cool. I'm going to do another equation quickly for you. So this is set up like the problem I just showed you. So I'm going to move a little quicker on this one. I'm going to cut this rectangle into 2 this way. So I know that this side is 2, so this side must be 2. If this is a 4, then this side must be a 4 as well. Now looking down here, I have a 4, so this must be a 4 since it's a rectangle. And I know from here, I have a 2, so this side would be a tiny 2. I'm going to write down area. And we know that area equals all the space inside, length times width. So I'm going to look up here at my shaded rectangle first, and I see length times width is 2 times 4. And I already did that one on the last one. I know 2 times 4 is 8. Well, then let's look down here at the white one. Look at that. 2 times 4 is also 8. So now I need to put my 2 pieces together to get the area for the entire shape. And I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16 because I've been working on my equation work, my fact work. So this is, the area is 16. Now for my perimeter, like on the last one, I need to double check to make sure I have all of the spaces because we know that perimeter keeps the puppy in at all the sides. So I need to make sure I have all the sides labeled so I can add it. I have, let's see, I have 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Oh my gosh, so many. And then here, ooh, hold on. I don't have this. Wait, oh, wait. Oh, do I? No, I don't. So I'm looking here. The whole length was 4, but I cut 2 out of it. So what's this? 4 take away. Oh, I know that. That's a 2. My goodness. Another 2. Holy cow. Okay, so let's set up my equation. I have 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I know that 2 and 4 is 6. I know that 2 and 4 is 6. And I know that 2 and 4 is 6 plus 2 more. So, I'm going to skip count my 6's. 6, 12, 18, and 2 more makes 20. So my answer, my sum is 20. Excellent. Another way you could look at this perimeter, because all of the numbers are the same, you could set it up and look at it a different way. You have your 2. I'm going to color code them. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and 2. Oh my goodness. Well, when I look at it this way, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 2's. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And then I have 3 4's. So I know 3 times 4 equals 12. And I know that 8 plus 12 equals 20. It's just another way to look at it. But this is how you complete area and perimeter of irregular shapes.